Want to see how fast you can hook up AI-generated content with WordPress and publish in bulk? Watch how easy it is. This setup takes less than 2 minutes. Let me show you just how simple it really is.
Website that I just built called greenreviews.com. You can see it even has the default template. After installing WordPress, I haven't done anything else to this website. So what we're going to do is get this set up, but we're going to use AI WiseMind for that. So we're going to come down and go down to Connect Sites. Then click on Connect WordPress Site. And then we're going to fill out these details. We're going to give the site a name. We're going to put the full URL in here, our WordPress username or password, and then the application password. And I'm going to show you how to get that right now. You want to go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Users, click on Edit, scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see where it says New Application Password Name. So you want to enter some kind of a name in here. I'm just going to do AIWN, which stands for AI WiseMind, and then click on Add New Application Password. You're then going to copy this, and it's very important you scroll down and click on Update Profile so it saves this. Now we're going to go back, and we can paste our application password in here. Also, with the WordPress username or email, what I normally do is just take it from the user's profile here because you know it's going to be right. You can see the username right here. Just take this and copy it and paste it. And then for the site URL, we're going to come back over and we're going to take the full first part of the domain name. And we're going to paste it in here. Then we can give it a name. I'm just going to title mine Green Reviews. Now down here, if you want this to be in a site group, you can select it. If you don't have any already added, you can click this plus sign and create a group and then put this site in that group. I'm just going to skip this for now and click on Connect WordPress Site. If it doesn't connect, you'll get an error, but here you can see it is connected.
And that's it. Quick, easy, and super efficient. If you want to learn more and start using this process yourself, check out the link in the description below.